What's up, guys? No Nonsense Know-How here, helping out Andrew Camarata for a couple days to catch up on some of the welding of his shipping container castle roof system. Figure I'd slap together this quick video since I think his project is just so freaking cool. And if you haven't seen his channel already, definitely check him out. I'll plug that link in down below. Now, taking a brief walk through, tell me this isn't a dream garage. I know for me, this would definitely be a dream workspace to have. And ahead of me is this spiral staircase that he built from scratch going up through the 40-foot container. And then he's got a loft area up here, a chill spot, and some heated space behind that. I believe the next floor is like just a blank footprint, maybe party zone. Check that out, pretty sweet. And then the fourth floor has got just a spectacular view. Day number 2, helping Andrew out. We got a lot of welding done yesterday and doing a bunch more today. To show you what we've been doing, we've been welding in these connection brackets, these I-beams, this roof system. Here's what one looks like. So a bunch of these cut out, welding both sides in, and then doing all the stitching on the 3/16 sheet steel for the roof. And yesterday we got all those connections done on that side and the corner done. And yeah, so it's just a ton of welding. But definitely glad to help him out and knock away at some of this stuff using his Millermatic 251, great machine, and then my Millermatic 211, which overheated once yesterday, but otherwise has been reliable and working good. And yeah, he's got Jesse and Dan over today. They're getting ready to crane lift some more sheets up. But this is what it looks like. This is a beautiful project. Ah, this is the thing. This is like what dreams are made of right here. Look at this place. Look at it. He's got his tower, his hot tub, a third tier, second tier, and first tier down there. It's his garage over there. And it is a beautiful day out. It's supposed to be, I think, a high like 58 today. So it's coming together nice. Definitely a steel castle here. And there's Andrew operating the crane over there.